Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to discuss grade 10 English syllabus. Uh, I have a lot of questions received from grade 9 students. My dear children, uh, I will answer your question. Let me upload this video and then I will have grade 10 questions also. They will answer your question. This is a forum for notes, discussion, question answers, and lectures. So you need not to bother. I will do it. No, you need not to bother. Okay, see now what is actually in grade 10 syllabus. It's not very difficult. It's very easy. I'm going to show you now how you can do it. You can see the syllabus now. I hope you will now be able to see the screen. That is a reviewed syllabus. It's also called by Federal Board short syllabus. Okay. So there are total lessons in this syllabus are 13 in grade 1, grade 9. There are 12, but in grade 10 there are 13 lessons. Number 1, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, an embodiment of justice. Number 2, Crunch, Chinese New York. Number 3, Try Again, a poem. Number 4, First Aid. Number 5, The Rain poem. Number 6, television versus newspaper. Number 7, Little by Little One Walks Far. Number 8, Peace poem. Number 9, Selecting the Right Career. Number 10, The World Without Books. Number 11, Great Expectation. Number 12, Population Growth and World Food Supplies. Number 13, Faithfulness. So now let us see how many exercises you have to cover. So contents exercises to be covered here for first lesson. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is very easy lesson, not very difficult. An embodiment of justice. Glossary and vocabulary, you have to see exercise A and B. Reading comprehension A and C. Grammar, concrete and abstract noun, you have to see exercise A, B, and C. Homework writing skills exercise A and B. Chinese New York, lesson number 2. Grammar collective nouns exercises A. Try again poem. We have to go for the theme of the poem, stanza comprehension, reading comprehension exercise, figure of speech, simile and alliteration, grammar, personal pronoun and degrees of adjectives, exercise A to D, homework, writing skills, exercise A. We will give you notes for all of these things. You need not to bother about it. First aid, glossary exercise A to C, reading comprehension exercise A to B, grammar, adverb phrases, infinitive and gerund, exercise A to D, homework, writing skills, how to take care of cuts and scraps. We will give you notes for all these things in the next lectures. We will discuss the notes. Number 5 is the rain poem, theme, stanza comprehension, figure of speech, metaphor and personification, vocabulary exercise A to D, reading comprehension exercises A to B, and grammar, transitive and intransitive verb exercises A. So number 6, television versus newspaper, grammar, first conditional, exercise C, little by little one talks, R, indefinite pronoun, exercise A, B, poems, peace poem, grammar, pronouns, exercises A to C, selecting the right career, glossary, vocabulary, exercise A to C, reading comprehension exercise A, grammar, noun clause, and homework, writing skill exercise C. In your lesson 10, the word without books, reading comprehension only exercise A, grammar, relative pronoun, and adjective clauses. Only 2 exercise A to B, homework, glossary, and vocabulary. But you see, your lesson number 11, great expectation, we have only grammar, narration, exercise D. Population growth and world food supply, grammar, subordinating conjunction, adverb clauses, this type of grammar you have to understand, exercise A to D. Faithfulness, reading comprehension, page 154, it's very easy. For everything we will give you, we will discuss the notes with you, easy notes. Grammar, conditional sentences, and compound and complex sentences, homework, glossary, and vocabulary with for this section of 13 lessons. We will in all lectures, we will give you the notes. But for grammar and composition, we have number one, all parts of speech, types and subtypes. Number two, types of phrases, clauses, and sentences, identification only. Number three, conditional sentences. Number four, verbal, gerund, participles, and infinitive. Number five, narration exercises from page 173 to 177, Punjab textbook board. That's grammar and composition. There's only one grammar that is in grade 9, grade 10, for Punjab textbook board and federal board. It's the same. English grammar and composition, PTB, Lahore, edition March 2020. Number 6, prepositional, phrasal, serial 1 to 60, page 159 to 161, grammar, the same grammar book. Number 7, comprehension paragraphs, verbs, exercise 1 to 15, pages 38 to 45. Same grammar, English grammar and composition. Application letter. There are only 4 letters here, applications and letters. 2 applications here and 2 letters. They can be unknown, but we will give you a short format of notes of letter. It will be easy for you. Write an application to the MD of a firm for the post of manager. Write an application to the principal of your school regarding access to e-library. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper regarding forced sanitation. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper regarding increasing rate of street crimes. So essay writing. They have given only a few essays. There can be unseen essay, but you have to learn. We will give you short notes, easy notes of essays, and we will tell you how to write an essay, the method how to write an essay with introduction, main body, and conclusion. You will learn it within few minutes. A, my aim in life. B, overpopulation. C, patriotism. D, beauties of village life. C, my ideal personality. F, green and clean Pakistan. So there are some notes Federal Board has given. Number 2, 6, 7, 8, 11, and 12 are excluded, except the grammar questions mentioned above. Number 2, all reviews. These units are excluded, mean they are deleted from your book because it's short syllabus. All review exercises 1, 2, and 3 in English textbooks are entirely excluded. So see, all review exercises 1, 2, and 3, they were deleted because it's a short syllabus. The overall pattern and weightage of annual paper will remain the same. However, both objective and subjective paper will be from the reduced or selected contents. So what is the reduced syllabus? Subjective and subjective questions will be from there, not from the whole one. For example, unit 2, 6, 7, 8, 1, 12, this will not be there. All review exercises 1, 2, and 3 will not be there because they are deleted. All grammar, number 4, all grammar-based content is supposed to be taken from the prescribed or recommended grammar book. So this is English grammar and composition, Punjab PTB mean, Punjab textbook board. Okay, this is edition 2020. So all grammar-based content is supposed to be taken from the prescribed recommended book. So, for example, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, conjunction, interjection. So these types of things all prescribed there. They are not difficult. We will make it easy for you with our lectures. You have to wait, but subscribe our channel so that you should be able to attend all. Subscribe karna mat bhuliye. Thank you very much. And we will meet you in the next lecture 2 from lesson 1. Bye-bye.